Hi guys, Dave Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Thanks for tuning in. Let's look at the S138 brushless motor dual camera drone with obstacle avoidance. It has a bottom camera and the front camera, and then this is your obstacle avoidance. Okay, here's the control. You have your power button, your right sideward flight, left sideward flight, forward flight, and backward flight. Up throttle, which will make you climb into the sky, and down is to decrease the throttle and make you land. Your unlock button to unlock the motors to start up. You have your 360 button, so then you can do flips. This is your headless mode button, camera up, camera down, and the front facing camera, obstacle avoidance button, and then your picture and video button. Just short press to take picture, long press to take video. And that's really it on the control, folks. So let's figure out how we lock the two in and get it ready to fly for the first time, and I'll show you how to lock in the camera and hook it to Wi-Fi and connect the two together. Here are your barcodes that come in the package. You can scan those to get your app. You can get it on Google Play, Android, or iOS, whichever you have. And it comes with an English manual. And this all came from TEMU.com. Under $60, 56 and some change. So you have all your information in here. It tells you all the stuff about it that you need to know. Okay, so to start it up, let's power on the drone first. Always have the camera facing forward, away from you, when you're starting your drones. Then we power on the remote. Nothing to do here, but just let it bind itself. It's automatically bound. So then we just need to turn on the phone. I'm going to get off the screen here so I can put my passcode in there. Okay, then we scroll down, go into our Wi-Fi settings, and go to Flow 14 F205. You see that? Okay, so now we're connecting to the drone through its Wi-Fi signal. Okay, so wait a second, and then you'll get a notification that asks if you want to stay connected. Right there it is. Yes, we want to stay connected. So now we can go out of here. And then we will open up Wi-Fi UAV. That's the name of the drone app. Okay. You go in there, you have your settings. You have manipulation mode, so you can go from left-handed to right-handed. Rocker mode, language, upgrade the firmware, and then there's some help info. Alright, then to start it up, to connect the two, just simply hit start. Computer's going to sleep. Alright, now you can see what the drone's seeing here on my computer screen. Get that a little brighter for you. Sorry, weather's too bad outside to do anything outdoors, so we're doing this inside today. Alright, to shut the phone control off, just hit the airplane there. There's your camera, video buttons there. You have the switch between your front-facing camera and your bottom camera. And you go into the gallery. You have a few other things I haven't really researched yet. So you got your gesture mode, zoom in. There's a few other features there that we'll learn more about later. Anyway, let's go back and let me show you. Just a simple quick press. We'll take a snapshot and it'll save it to your phone. This one don't have an SD card, so it will just be through Wi-Fi transmission. And then to take video, you just long press and it'll start the video. Your drone lights will blink to let you know that it's recording. And the same way to shut it off, just long press. Now you're not doing anything. And then you can just short press, take pictures. Okay, now to start the drone, let's simply just hit the unlock button. and the motors will start. And then to take off, all you have to do is push up on this joystick, and it'll stop the motors automatically if you don't make any stick adjustments or movements, just like so. Well guys, there's how you start up your drone, how you hook into the camera and the app, and you know a little bit more about the drone now. Thank you for watching. Appreciate you tuning in. Hope to see you next time.